Well, hello, and we are getting a little excited because this is the first time in at least 6 months that we've looked around new motorhomes, and we've come to Highbridge, which is just behind the Stover Caravan Club site. Right, now we're going to an ADRIA motorhome. This is the Matrix 600 DT Plus, and again I've spotted the garage. I'm standing right beside it here. Nice canopy above, and nice generous door, nice wide doorway there. Just going to go down the front of the van, Sue, and I'm pretty sure this is on a Fiat Ducato. Just coming around to see what the price is. £67,500, and we're looking at a 6.9 metres, so 7 metres long, and MTPLM of 3.5 tonne. So that's pretty darn good. Just going to have a look inside. That's what we all want to do.
I mean, you could have a party. Look at the size of it. Look.
Yeah. Now this is your bedroom cum lounge. Yeah, this is your bedroom cum lounge, and they've started to put the table down to show you how they make the bed up.
And the hecky.
Yeah.
And then you've got these push buttons again.
Yeah, we saw them in the other van, didn't we?
Yeah.
There's little cupboards because you've got a drop down bed. So
the seat belts there as well, so you can take passengers.
Yeah.
By the looks of it. So obviously drop down bed.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is a 4-berth thing, and they've got a little ladder.
A ladder.
For your drop down bed.
There you got a little oven.
Yeah. All nice the cushions have worked up the way up this end, don't they? Look.
That's alright, we can have a look.
Yeah.
We've got a little.
They're very nice, aren't they?
3-burner hob.
3-burner hob, yeah. What you got here?
And that's a sink.
Yeah, sink with a 2-piece cover. It's quite handy because it gives you an extra bit of workspace.
And you've got the cupboards.
Oh yeah. I think we've done the kitchen. We just had a man in, a salesman. Nice salesman.
Fridge.
Yep.
The box at the bottom.
This is the sort of slimline type of fridge, isn't it?
Yes,
yeah.
adequate. Yeah, and then
absolutely.
There's no steps.
Yep.
Straight in. God, look at the size of this washroom.
Lovely big washroom, isn't it? And the storage in the back.
Again, you can have a party. Look at the storage.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Yeah. So that's over the garage, isn't it?
Got drawers here. Look.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll just get my knickers out and you'll get your pants out. Yeah.
You are. You're getting carried away, isn't it?
Well, you could keep it in the washroom.
Yeah, I'll stop, I think.
There's stuff in there.
So you got a cupboard behind that one?
I reckon.
Oh.
Yeah.
You have to push, don't you? That's it. You've got
it. Yeah.
That's a nice size cupboard too.
Got a lot of
storage. Loads of storage, isn't you? More storage down there.
Yeah.
For your
down here, yeah.
Your bottles and bits and bobs. And a separate shower, like we said.
And a nice separate shower.
Yeah. I like this.
I like the handles.
Yeah. I think it's very nice.
And it's got a proper hecky proper shower. And storage here, although these are a little bit.
You've got room for your TV on there. And
that's
nice.
Nice.
Super wide door.
Got a garage door as well.
One last little look.
I like it.
With your drop down bed. Excellent.
Put your bikes in there.
There's your garage door. Yeah.
And you've got the door the other side.
Yep. So you can put your bikes in there, no trouble. Dogs in there. Yeah, definitely.
No, not really.
Definitely keep your bicycles in there. Yeah. Very nice van. I like that. And I have to say, I'm pleasantly surprised because I didn't think I would like it. But, good. Another ADRIA Matrix 600 SL Access. Let's have a little look down the front as we do. 140 brake horsepower engine, £64,000, and this one's 7 metres long, on a 3.5 ton chassis, 2.3 litre engine. Did I already say that? And this is a UK limited edition model.
I'm not so keen on this one.
Not so keen on this one, and why? This is more the usual layout, isn't it, with the continental sort
it's
of
got a drop down bed.
lounge diner. Nice lot of space over the cab though for standing up in.
This isn't. These aren't like lounge ones like the other one there. It's more like a dining area.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's more like a dining come
I don't.
seating.
There are seats, seat belts.
So you've got
there.
seat belts,
Take
so
two
4 can
passengers.
travel, and you've got a drop down bed above.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is your first bedroom.
And then you've got the kitchen area here,
Yeah.
which it's got 2
2 burner hob. Yeah. And then your little square sink. I like the tap. It's nice.
Cupboards above.
Yeah.
And another roof light.
Yeah.
This is quite a substantial size drawer, isn't it?
Yeah. Lovely drawer
Storage
there.
underneath there.
Storage. Combination oven.
Pull-out drawers.
Yeah. And then
And then the usual fridge.
yeah.
Slimline fridge.
Yeah.
With storage underneath. And then this is a wet room. And this is broken off. So it's
Oh
not
yeah.
very good, does
Oh,
it?
that's all
That
right. Don't look
obviously
good, but that'll be easily
sat under
repaired.
there, didn't it?
Yeah. Just a little bit of trim,
Just
isn't
a
it?
cupboard up there.
Yeah.
And a hanging towel rail.
Mhm.
And then you've got this sort of bed which you're not so keen on, are you?
A separate washroom again.
It's got
Yeah.
storage underneath both sides.
Both sides, yeah. And then the big
Got
garage
wardrobes.
like we had last
Now
time.
see, the step here lifts up.
This one,
That's deep. That cupboard.
yeah.
And then garage.
It's a
outside
lovely
with
big bed, I must
cupboards.
admit. There's loads of room there.
Yeah, it's easy
in
to
that bedroom.
get to it, isn't it? Up these steps.
Yeah, the steps are good and you know,
Yeah, got one.
substantial. 3 steps up. So you're going to be quite tall, but you know, a lot
Again,
of
it's
headroom.
Truma heating.
I mean, considering there's a drop down bed here, look, my arm is outstretched here, and there's a good, what, 6 or 8 inches above my head. There is a little step into the cab on this one.
Yeah.
So, but even then, I've still got 4 inches above my head here. Headroom.
Always, yeah, quite big. You've also
And
got
I'm
a
about
fly
5'9".
It's got a fly screen. I wonder if this is a little man cupboard under here.
Oh, a little man cupboard. Oh yes.
That'd be your alcohol cupboard.
A lot of beer in there. Oh, dear oh. Yeah.
This one's a smaller one, so 520.
Oh, we're going to look at another one now, are we? Okay. All right.
So we're going to look at this one.
Okay.
It's a dinky one, look.
All right. Hang on. Switch this one off and we'll start the new one. Another Adria this time. It's the Adria Matrix XS 520 ST, £61,500 on the road, and 4 berth, 3.5 ton chassis, 2.3, 140 brake horsepower engine. This is a little shorty. How long is this one? Let's have a look on the front, see if it tells me. Doesn't. We'll find out. I would say that probably looks like a 6 metre van, 6.5 metre maximum. 6 metre ish. Right, so in this one then.
We've got swivel cab seats.
Yeah.
With a roof back above and a little bit of
Yeah.
storage.
Yeah.
Drop down bed.
Drop down bed is the same as
Got
the
little
last
cupboards
one.
underneath them.
Yeah.
You've got a little seat there. And a seat here. You can take 2 passengers.
2 passengers,
And a
yeah.
nice big bench seat here.
Mhm.
You could sort of lounge on that, couldn't you?
Yep.
You could sort of lounge a little bit.
Step
more.
up into the dining room area.
You've got a cupboard at the end here, underneath. Could you use that as a
Shoes.
shoe cupboard?
Yeah.
And storage underneath.
Yeah.
And then you've got a separate fridge and freezer here, look. You've got a nice big kitchen area. Got
Lovely.
your fridge. And
Lovely.
then a separate freezer.
Yeah. I like the separate freezer.
Nice. And that's not too big a fridge either, is it?
It's a Thetford
No.
fridge freezer.
Storage above. That's obviously, is it for your telly?
Yep, that would be a slide out TV.
And then here. No, I don't think that's...
No storage under there, is that right?
That's probably where the wheel is it?
A gas, I would imagine.
And then you've got a wet room.
Yeah.
But it is quite a big shower, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know whether this is... Oh, look, they've got a door.
Oh, you got a little concertina door.
Instead of a shower curtain, which is nicer.
Yeah.
So that's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then you've got a storage. I don't know if I dare stand on that. Storage here,
Yep.
haven't you?
Mm-hmm.
Don't quite know. That's a drop-down sink, isn't it?
Yes.
So here's your sink.
Yep.
And then you've got cupboards above.
Drop down sink.
Maybe a little latch here somewhere. Here we are.
There we are.
So that's your cupboard. There's quite a lot of storage in there, isn't there?
Yeah.
I like the mirrors.
Okay.
And
So what's in the kitchen?
area, which is rather nice, isn't
The
it?
kitchen,
I
unfortunately.
like this end kitchen.
It's like an L shape.
It's all wraps
Yeah.
around you.
Yeah.
You've looked in there, so you've got your free gas burner hob,
Yeah.
a little sink, a little bit of work surface here,
Yeah.
and then under here, you've got your drawer, your cutlery,
Yeah.
little oven,
Mm-hmm.
storage underneath, and these are all, it's a little tiny little cupboard, I don't know what you put in there, spices,
Cool. Yeah. A tiny little cupboard. Yeah.
and then that's,
Oh, that makes up
that's a
for it, doesn't it?
substantial size
Yeah.
drawer,
Fantastic.
isn't
I
it?
like that.
And what about this one? That's another little tiny one.
Yeah.
And then here, got storage under here,
Big cupboard there.
big cupboard.
Yeah. And a wardrobe above. Yes.
And a
With
wardrobe.
hanging space. Yeah.
And then this is
Look at that.
unique. Got a slide and
Well,
storage
that's good,
here.
isn't it? Yeah.
And here, look, for a little
So does that come right to the bottom?
box. Yeah, that comes right down the bottom.
Oh yeah.
And then here
That's
you've got,
Great idea. I like
they're
that.
quite deep cupboards, aren't they?
I wonder if that works in real life.
For putting your plates and stuff in.
Yeah.
Or maybe not that one, maybe your cups. And then you've got MkII net heating.
Yeah.
There, you've just got a fly screen. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a little step up into the lounge area there. Isn't it?
Now for a little van,
It's packed
once
a lot
again, that does pack a lot in. Yeah. I think that's really,
in. I like the
it's
layout
really
of it.
spacious. Yeah. I think
I like
this
the
is the
dash
size
thing.
van I feel that we'll probably move into.
Is that sat nav on there? On this?
Yeah.
Sat nav.
Yeah, it's a Fiat Ducato. So we could have the automatic on this again.
Because you've got your benches here, you could sit. You could sit up here, couldn't you?
Yeah.
One of you could
Yeah.
sort of a bit upright, but
Yeah.
you could sort of lounge and
Yeah, it's
on
loungeable.
there, isn't there?
Yeah. Well, you can lounge on here.
You've got your captain's chairs. And this,
I think this is a very practical little van. If this is 6 metres long, you've got a lot of van space for two people. It's lovely.
yeah.
It's grown on me since I've been in here, you know. Funny, isn't it? Just gonna have another look at the washroom. Oh, there's a little ladder there for your bed. Yeah.
I like the fact that you've got the little door.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. They always seem wide, don't they?
Yeah. Yeah, they are a bigger, wider opening door than ours. Yeah. Yeah. Very generous.
Then you've got a little garage. Can you get to the garage?
Garage, let's have a look, see if it's open.
It's tiny.
No, they've not opened the garage.
I'm done.
I think we know what a garage is like, don't we? And that would only go in so far on there because
Oh,
we've
that's
seen
different too, aren't
inside.
they?
Yeah, alloy wheels. Yeah, different style, aren't they?
Yeah.
Slightly smaller. But that is the reason you couldn't get in that cupboard is for the gas bottle up there.